Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to speed up your download speed in Google Chrome on your PC. It's simple and works instantly once you set it up right. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Before anything else, check your internet connection. Go to any speed test website like speedtest.net and see if your connection is stable. If it's slow, restart your router or switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network. Next, close all the extra Chrome tabs or background apps that you're not using. When too many tabs or apps are open, especially one streaming or downloading Chrome, splits your internet speed between them. Keep only the download tab open to get the fastest results. Now, let's clean up your browser a little. Click the three dots at the top right corner, go to More Tools, and click Extensions. Turn off any extensions you don't really need, especially VPNs, or download managers that can sometimes slow down your speed. After that, clear your browser cache so Chrome runs smoothly. Click the three dots again, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Check cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This helps Chrome work faster and prevents old cached files from clogging up your downloads. If you're downloading multiple files, pause the ones you don't need right away. Chrome splits your bandwidth across all active downloads, so finishing one at a time makes it much faster. You can also install a trusted download manager like Internet Download Manager or Free Download Manager. These tools break large files into smaller parts and download them simultaneously for better speed. Finally, make sure your Chrome is updated to the latest version. Click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If there's a new one, it'll start updating right away. And that's it. Check your connection, close unnecessary tabs, clear cache, pause other downloads, and update Chrome, and your download speed will be noticeably faster. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple PC tutorials.